Okay. So yesterday, I think we understood about the joins, right? So apart from the regular joins in SQL, we also have semi-join and the anti-join in the Spark, right? Those two are the extra joins actually. So try to understand the functionality and play with the joins concept, guys. Okay, and we regularly use all types of joins actually. Okay, so that is about joins, join conditions. Today I wanted to cover the aggregation functions. Okay, and as well as the replace function that we have in data frames. I wanted to cover. Okay, if time permits, we'll discuss the rank and dense rank analytical functions as well. Or tomorrow we can discuss that. Okay. Okay. So before I go ahead and discuss about the aggregate and group by APIs, I wanted to discuss about the order by first because that is very important. Did I ever discuss about the order by? Sort or order by? No, right? No, right? Oh, this is the one. So what order by will take is input is columns it will take as an input. Okay, order by what column? List of columns also we can mention or single column also we can mention. That's up to you. So integer also we can mention, string also we can mention, list also we can mention, or column name also we can mention directly. Okay. Huh. So integer means based on the position. So this is integer concept is actually new in Spark 4.0. Previously it was not there. Okay. So we can sort the data based on the position as well. Ordinal position, I can say. So if you are mentioning in the select list, like department number, salary number, order by 1 comma 2, we mention right in SQL. The same way we also can mention here. Okay. Anyway, so I'll discuss about without integer here. I'll try to mention the single column name or multiple column names and all. Okay. So for that, we need to have one data frame in place. I think we have already created the data frame yesterday, right? Now, okay, not this one. This is the one. So let me try to create that once again. Yeah, this is the one. Employee DF and the department DF. Both I'm trying to create. Yeah. So it got created. And a view also I'm creating here. Both employee view and department view, both I'm trying to create here. Okay. Now what I want to do is I wanted to sort the data based on the department number. So currently the data is not sorted properly here in the employee data frame. Now I wanted to sort them properly based on the department number. That's my requirement. So how do we do that one here? How do we do that one? What is my data frame name here? emp underscore df dot. Uh, so you can use sort or order by anything is okay, guys. Both are same only. So we also have one more API or one more method called sort. So if you want, I can search that one here. So sort here. This is the one. Sort. Sort and order by both are same only. So both takes inputs in the same way. I don't know why do they have like multiple column, multiple functions here for the same operation, but like both are same. That's what I wanted to say. Okay, see this one also takes the column names and the keyword arguments as an input. I'll talk about that what exactly mean with the keyword arguments. So it also takes the integer, string, list or column name. Okay. So other parameters we can mention here keyword arguments in the sense we can mention ascending equal to true or false, or list also we can mention, or you can leave it also, no problem. It is optional anyway. So even if you don't mention anything, ascending equal to by default it is true. It will try to ascend that sort the data based on ascending order. Okay, by default it is true. Okay, let's try to play with the data here so that you'll understand it in easy way. Sort or order by anything you can take here. So let's try to take this out here, and next operation we'll try to take actually this one. Okay, now here you can mention either call off also, um, or like you can mention like directly column name as well. So anything is okay. So what I wanted to do is I'll just mention here department number here. That's it. I will not mention it, either it has to sort the data in ascending order or descending order. I'll not mention that one. Let's see the data how it is sorting the data here. Okay, so let's execute this one and see data sorted properly in the data frame. And 10, 20, 30. What is this order actually? Is it ascending order or descending order? Ascending order or descending order? Come on, guys. Say something.
Ascending order.
It is ascending order, right? By default, if you don't mention anything, what will happen? It will sort the data in ascending order. Okay. So ascending. Okay. I think we can directly take from here. Ascending. No capital letter here. I think I mentioned here capital letter. So ascending equal to a true. I'll mention here. You will get the same output as is. Without this one also, we got the same output. Now, the moment you put here false and see what happens, the data is actually sorting in a descending order. Okay, getting my point? Or if you don't want to mention like this, I can tell you one more approach also. Okay, you can simply mention here ASC. Oh, sorry, ASC, ascending. Ascending, descending is a column level functions actually. Okay, now let me execute this one and see you're getting the same output. Or if you don't want to ascending order here, you try to sort the data in a descending order here. See, you're getting the same output. Or even Siva, I don't like this one also. Can you tell me another approach? Okay, I can tell you ASC of also we can mention here. That is also okay. ASC of where is the bracket closed here? Call of this one. This one. Yeah. So this one. ASC also. ASC is not different. We have to import that one. So from PySpark dot SQL PySpark dot SQL dot functions import star I'm giving here so that it will import everything. See, now I'm getting the data properly here, ascending off. Or if you don't want to do that one, descending off also we can take it here. See, you're getting the data properly here. How many variations are there you see? Getting my point? Now my requirement is this one in ascending order. Salary should be in a descending order each department wise. That's my requirement. How do you do that? How do you do that? How do you do that? Okay, let me try to mention it as a ascending order. No, this one descending of call of. Okay, within double quotes, I can mention salary field. That's it. Done. Now let me execute. See, in the 10th department number, the data is like sorted in a descending order or not here? Yes. Or dot DSC also you can mention here after call. Dot DSC also. Or Siva, I don't want to mention like this, like that also. Okay.
But
Uh,
salary 20 is descending or 800, right? It is only applicable for 10,000.
no. What is that you're saying? Okay. So that is because of this is string column, right? We did not convert it into this one, right? What do I say? Integer, right?
Integer. Mhm.
That is the reason it is behaving like okay. So since you are asking that one, what I will do is I'll just try to mention here dot option of dot option option of what is that we need to mention? Infer schema uh, infer schema. So within double quotes, I'm just trying to mention here. Okay, infer schema true. TRU. If I mention this one, then what will happen?
Based on the data, it will define the data type.
So let me re-execute this one. See, we got this one. If you want to see that the data type, right? emp underscore df dot uh, print schema. This is what I'm trying to execute here. See, integer format now. Okay. Now, based on that, I'll try to sort the data here. Okay. Now, see, you'll get the data properly now. Did you get it?
Okay.
Okay. Good catch. Yeah. Even I did not observe that one. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Fine. So, Siva, either you can mention dot ASC or ascending function also we can use, or here also dot ESC or descending function also we can use here. Anything is okay. But I don't want to do that one, Siva. Okay. I wanted to still use ascending option here. Okay. What I will do is I'll simply mention here, okay, comma. Okay, ascending we already taking right here. So copy this one and put after this one equal to, you mention it as first one is descending order, right? Descending means 0, ascending means 1. You can mention like this also. See, you're getting the data in the same way. See, okay, I think I need to mention it in a reverse order here. 1 and 0 here. That is also okay. See, same output, whatever we got earlier, the same thing we are getting here. You see? Getting my point? Clear? So yes or no, guys?
Yes, sure.
You have to be responsive, guys. Okay. Yeah, so we are done with the sort. Okay, so instead of this one, you can take the order by also, guys. Order by. So I'm just taking this one. See, same output you're getting. Nothing is changing here. Nothing is changing. Order by, sort, both are like aliases only. Okay, let's ask Perplexity we have any difference or not. Okay. Okay. So what is the difference between sort and order by in PySpark? Okay. Now let me ask this one. Same thing only, right? Okay, that the key difference between sort and PySpark is that functionally equivalent is simply alias for the order by. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, both methods are used to fully sort a data frame by one or more columns in an ascending or descending order and guarantees the same output order across the partitions when used in the data frame operations. This is what I was telling you. Both are same only. Okay, but a small difference is there. If at all, if you are trying to do a global sorting or partition level sorting, sort will try to do global level partitioning and partition sort it doesn't do. Okay, so order by also same thing. Sort with same behavior only. Same behavior only. Nothing will change here. Sort with partition, another function is there. That does actually this one. Anyway, like the conclusion point is here, sort and order by both are same only. Both are aliases only. That's it. That's what I wanted to conclude here. Nothing will change even if you use sort or order by. Okay. Anyway, we are done with that one. Next, I wanted to discuss about the group by as well. And after that, I will discuss about the aggregate and I'll try to combine them. Okay. Now, let me go here and try to discuss about the control F. What is that? What is that I was trying to say?
Group by.
Group by. Oh, sorry. Spell mistake here. Group by. Yeah, this is the one. So what it does actually, see, in SQL, how you're grouping the data, the same way we can group the data in PySpark as well. Okay, order by is there in SQL also, right? You guys know it, right? Very well. Same thing, same concept here also. Okay, let's say I'll try to execute initially it in the PySpark, and later we'll try to discuss about the this one, the PySpark related one. Okay, now what I will do is I wanted to sort, I wanted to group the data based on, I wanted to group the salary or like I wanted to count the number of employees based on the department. That's my requirement. Okay, if that is the case, how do you do it in SQL? Come and help me. So I'm just trying to remove all these things here. Select star from view underscore employee dot show. Now let me execute this one. We are getting the output. I mean, employee data set. We are getting it. Now what I wanted to do is I wanted to do count based on the department number. How do you do it in SQL? DEPT number, comma, count of star. So that what you'll get? Since you are using here aggregation here, so group by what? Department number, right?
DF.
DEPT number. This is what we have to write it, right? Now what you're getting? In the 30th department number, we have 6 employees. 60th department number, we have 2. So 10th department number, we have 4 employees. Same thing I wanted to achieve in PySpark. How do we do that one? Let me execute that one. So I know my data frame has the entire data. So let me try to see that data. Yeah, this is my data. Okay. Now before show, what I wanted to do is, no, sorry, G capital we got it. Okay. So group by dot I'm taking here. Now within single quotes or double quotes, you can take that column. So let's say DEPT I'm taking here, DEPT number, sorry. Okay, now let me execute this one. See, we are dot group by department number dot show. Group data object has no attribute show. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to, since you're grouping the data, we have to use at least one aggregation function here. So that aggregation function is count I'm taking here. Count dot show. Now let me execute this one. See, same output, whatever we have it in, whatever we got in SQL, same thing we got here. Okay, but in remember in PySpark, first we have to use the group by, later we have to use the aggregation function. But in SQL, first we will write actually the aggregate. This one aggregation column, and after that we will mention the group by. That is only the difference between these two commands. I cannot take like this. Okay, let me try to copy this one and put it in another cell here. So can I write like this? Okay. Okay, count and this one dot group. Can I write like this? It is throwing error. Because df dot count means, see, the count is a function I know. Df dot count means what you'll get. How many records are there in the data frame, that you'll get, right? On top of that one, what you're trying to group by? Nothing is there, right? See, you'll get a count. Count is like a 10 records, 20 records, 30 records. On top of that one, do we have any column name called department number? So always you have to use the count after group by only here. So that is the reason I'm telling you, you have to use the notation like this only. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Group by column names only we are taking, right? Hmm. Hmm. I thought of telling you something. Okay, yeah. So here directly we can use the call or column name also we can take it here. That's what I thought of telling you. So call off also we can use here. Anything is okay. or this data frame is there, right? So that one also we can take it. Okay. So df of also we can take it, but the square brackets we need to take right here. You remember, like when I was discussing about the select command, I told you all these notations. Okay. Now df of also we can take. Or if you don't want to take that one, df dot also we can take it, but you don't need to take that double quotes, single quotes here. Directly you can write like this also. Any of the notation. So mostly I used to write actually call off only, so that it understands it's a column name properly, I can say. Okay. So that is about the group by. So do we have any other thing to discuss here? I don't think so. Okay, let's move on to the aggregation functions directly. So we already discussed the count, right? Now I wanted to discuss about the, I'm just removing this one. Copy as is here. This one. Average salary per department I wanted to calculate, guys. Average salary per department I wanted to calculate. Or max salary per department I wanted to calculate. What are all the aggregation functions you know in SQL? What are all the aggregation functions you know in SQL?
Row number.
No, not they are not. They are aggregation functions, but not pure aggregation functions, right? They comes under
Vendor.
analytical plus aggregation, both, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Normal aggregation functions I'm asking. Come on, guys, you're thinking about that one. You're thinking about the aggregation functions.
What? Max min.
Average, min, max,
Yeah.
count, all those things are aggregation functions only, right? Okay. So max of what column? Salary field, right? So call of salary also you can take, or df of salary also you can take, or df dot salary also you can take, or directly you can mention the column name as well here. Something is wrong here. Salary is not a numeric column. I think it's a numeric column only, right? Group by department number. Salary is a group. Salary is a numeric column only, right? Integer, right? Oh, employee df. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. So employee df I have to use. Employee underscore df dot. Okay. Where is that one? This is the one, right? emp underscore df dot emp underscore df. Okay, I was referring actually the previous data frame that I've taken. So in the employee data frame, I've input the schema so that my salary and commission columns got converted to integer data type. So now let me execute this one and see what you're getting here. What is the maximum salary in the 20th department number? So if you want, you can, in the 20th department number, what is the maximum salary? 3,000, right? 3,000 or not? That's what we got here. So in 10th department number, 5,000. This is what we got. So like that, we got the max. Okay, if at all, if you want to find out the minimum salary for each department, right? So same thing you're getting. So let's say you wanted to calculate like average salary based on the department number, right? You're getting it, average salary. Okay. Sum of salary, if at all, if you want to calculate per department number, then you can use this one, sum of salary. Sum also you can use. See here, the field you're getting like this, right? The column name you're getting like this, right? Correct? Now, if you don't want to take the column name like this, you can simply mention alias of, what do you want to mention here? AVG, sum of salary, right? Okay, sum underscore sal. I can take like this happily. Dot alias of. Why I did not get that one? Okay, in the aggregation function, I'll try to show you that one. Okay. Okay, so I'll talk about that one. Don't worry. Now, Shiva, I wanted to calculate average, sum, min, max in a single query. Is it possible to do that? Yes, we can do that actually. Okay, so how you can do that one is same thing. We'll try to take it here. Okay, now let me try to open the new cell here. Now I'll just try to remove all these things here, aliases and all. I'll try to remove here. Okay, now what you have to do is we have to mention aggregate here, AGG. Inside AGG, you can mention any number of aggregation functions. Let's say I wanted to perform min, max also of the per department number. Min and max, both I wanted to calculate. So for that, aggregate of, so what I need to do is directly I can write it. So min of, what is that? Salary field, right? So within that salary I'm taking here. Okay, salary, comma, max of, within double quotes, I'm just trying to take salary here. Now let me execute here. Now see what you're getting. Min and max I'm getting in both. Both I'm getting in a single data frame. Now, if you want, you can mention here. I don't know previously why it was not working. Alias also we can mention here. Min underscore sal. Okay. I think we need to take it in single quotes or double quotes, right? Dot alias of, okay, single quotes, max underscore sal. Now see, you're getting it properly now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I wanted, on top of that one, I wanted to order the data based on department number because the data is not sorted properly here. How do we do that? How do we do that? I wanted to sort the data based on department number. Directly take the sort here. So sort of, what is that column? DPT number, right? I'm just taking the same thing here. I'm getting it properly. I'm just trying to combine group by, aggregate, and the sorter order by. Okay, clear with this? Any question? See, if at all, if you want to perform single column level aggregation, you can perform still. Okay, but if at all, if you want to perform multiple aggregations at the same data frame level, then you have to use AGG here. If you want, I can show you that AGG here. Okay, let me go back to the data frames here. Control F, that is AGG, right? Now let me execute this one. This is the one. Now see, aggregate the entire data frame without groups. That means this is the shorthand they are trying to say. But inside that one, you can write expressions. Okay, that is what. See, if you don't want to mention like min, some of min alias name and all, right? So if at all, if you want to mention those things directly in a dictionary format, you can define that. What I was trying to say is, let me go back and write the same thing in a different way. So copy this one and let me try to put it here and aggregate of. Okay, so this one I'll just try to put it here. Now, okay, I'll just remove everything here so that it's easy. Okay, now two elements I have to take, right? So I'm just putting comma here. Now you can close your camera, please. Okay. Aggregate of, like what I'm trying to say is what column that you wanted to perform. Okay, so salary, right? So salary field, what do you want to do on top of that one? Okay, max, right? So max I'm taking here. So same thing, I'll try to take min as well. So I think max we have to take it in a single quotes or double quotes here. So in place of max, min I'm taking here. Let me execute this one. So it's not working here because the min and max we have to take it in a single quotes or double quotes. Now let me try to do that activity here. So double quotes I'm just trying to take here because it's a string, right? Inside the dictionary, we define the string data type always in double quotes or single quotes, right? See, we are getting it properly here. Since I did not mention any alias name here, we are getting only one here. I can take like this also. Multiple columns can't we take here? Yeah, we can take, I guess. We're getting only one field here. Min, last one, whatever it is there. Okay, so sum I'll take here instead of this one. Still then it is taking this one only. Min also, sum also, I'll try to take whatever it is there in the last, we are getting that one only, I guess. Yeah. It is performing only one thing. That means with the dictionary, we can perform only one like this. Oh, sorry, salary, we need to put it in double quotes, right? Okay, see, we are getting like this. Okay, better use this one only instead of like using this dictionary format. Better go and use this aggregate function only. Okay, that's what they're trying to say here. So that is about the aggregations, guys. So it is quite similar to your SQL aggregations only, nothing difference. But the only difference that I can tell you at this point of time is in SQL first we write the aggregations and after that we write the group by. But here first we write the group by and after that we write the aggregations. That's it. That is only the difference. Okay. Hmm. So we are done with this aggregation functions. Now let me move on to the next one, a replace function, guys. Okay. Let me search it here. Control F. Replace also we use regularly. This is the one I'm looking for. So what is that other? Also it is NA functions replace. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, here also you're getting it. Okay. Anyway, I don't want to bother about all those things. Harish, don't scribble on my screen, please. Okay. So what this replace function does? Okay, so in SQL, if at all, if you want to replace something, let's say in my data frame, I have gender like this, right? M, F, and null value is there, right? I wanted to replace this M with the male, and I wanted to replace F with the female, null with the UNK. That's my requirement. How do you do that one in SQL? SQL also we have a replace function, right? Similarly, here also we have a replace function. Okay, what this replace function does is returns a new data frame replacing the value with the another value. Whatever you wanted to replace that we have to mention value with what you wanted to replace that you have to mention here. So example we'll try to understand here so that okay, let's say you have the in a data frame you have like this. So you wanted to replace 10 with the 20 here. Okay, so that is what happening here. So what do you want to replace? 10 to with which value you wanted to replace? 20. That's what they're trying to say in the syntax. Okay, value, what is that you wanted to replace? On which column you wanted to replace? If you don't mention any subset here, it will try to replace across the data frame, across all the columns, I can say. Okay. Or if you mention a particular column here, then it will try to perform that replacement only in that particular column. Okay. Let's try to play with that one and see what is happening here. Okay. So let's go here. Where is that? This is the one. Now, where is my data frame? Let me create a news. Okay, sorry. Let me create a new cell here. Where is my data set? EMP right? EMP_DF dot show. This is my data frame actually. Now, wherever gender column is there, I just wanted to replace that one with the gender. Wherever M is there, I wanted to replace that one with the what I can say, male. F with the female. So if that is the requirement, then what I can do is directly I can write a replace of. Okay. So dot I'm just trying to take here. Single quotes I'm taking M. I'll just try to check here whether it is behaving in a proper way or not. Okay. Male I'm taking. See, since I am not mentioning any column here, I wanted to check actually whether it is replacing only in this particular column or it is considering the other columns as well. Okay. Now dot show I'm giving here. Now see what is happening. That string M is there only here, right? It is not considering the other column because normal M is not there in the other columns. That is the reason it is replacing only here. So if at all, if you want to replace female also, F also to the female, can we do that one or not here? Yes, we can do that one. So what we can do is, we have to take it in a list format here. Okay, so within this one, we have to mention female here. And here I'm just closing the bracket. So here also, I'll just try to, sorry. So this is the one, and male, comma, female I'm taking here. Okay, close the bracket here. Now inside this one, female, I'm just trying to take like this. See, the male and female, M and F got replaced properly here. If you want to replace that null value also, okay, you can replace it happily, no problem. Okay. Now, Shiva, I don't want to change it across the data frame here. Okay, I wanted to focus only on particular column. Then subset equal to, if at all, if you want to mention multiple columns, you can mention, or if at all, if you want to mention only a particular column, you can mention it here. So gender, I'm just trying to mention here, replace got unaccepted keyword subset. Subset is there, right? Subset equal to none. Yeah, that's correct only. But I think it will not work for this multiple values. It should work definitely with the single value. Okay, I'm just removing this one, guys. Okay, let me execute this one. Replace got an unexpected keyword subset. Data frame dot replace of two value equal to this one, subset equal to none. Yeah. We're gonna accepted keyword. Oh, oh my God. Spell mistake, guys. That's it. Nothing is wrong here. It's a spell mistake. Okay. Now let me go back and try to mention here gender column, right? So subset. Now see, it's replacing it properly. Okay. Same thing if I want to achieve with the width column, how do you do that one? With the width column. You can achieve the same functionality with the width column as well. How do we do that? Come on, guys. What is that column that you wanted to replace actually? Gender column, right? So gender I'm taking here. What is that expression? When? Hmm. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. One more extra bracket open, huh? This bracket is for, okay. So let me try to put it here. Now can I write like this? Any extra bracket, guys? Dot show. 1 second. Parsing. When bracket opened here, closed here, bracket opened here, closed here. Otherwise, bracket opened here, opened here and closed here, and we need to close one more bracket here. Yeah, for with column. Not column argument condition should be a column got string. Okay. So where did I get that one? When how did we take that one? I forgot that one. Case when okay, this we have to mention like this, right? My bad, guys. 1 second. If gender column within single quotes or within double quotes, if the gender column has okay equal to m, then replace that one with the male. Okay, the same thing here. I'll just try to copy paste here. Uh, uh, so female, then female. Otherwise, UNK. Now let me execute this one. See, we're getting it properly here. Same thing I'm just trying to achieve with the with column. With the case one expression I'm writing here. That's it. Huh. So I wanted to tell you like the functions related to the so far we discussed about the data from APIs, right, to replace the particular thing. Now I wanted to discuss about the functions. So we have three different types of functions are there actually to if at all if you want to replace a particular string, guys. So one is regular expression replace. Okay, regexp. Uh, regexp underscore replace. Okay, this is one. And second one is translator. Translator. Okay, this is one of the interview question actually I got, guys, for my current company only. When I attended the interview, they asked, okay, in Spice Park, how many ways you can replace a string? Then I explained all three functions. Okay, third one is replace. These three functions are there. Okay, so now I'm going to discuss about all these functions. Now for this one, I need to take the sample data. I already have this sample data here. That is the reason I'm trying to explain it directly here. Okay, so let me create a Spark session in this cell. Run it. If the Spark session is already there, it will try to get it. If not, it will try to get that. Now, what I'm doing is, I'm just trying to take the sample data set, guys, here. Sample data set. Okay, that sample data set is this one. Directly we can, okay, EMPDF is created. Okay, let me create this EMPDF also. Where is the EMPDF I've created? or let me create first this one. Yeah, so df I created. Now let me come down. So in place of empdf, I'll just try to put here df dot. Okay. See what I'm trying to do here is in the data frame with column gender regular expression replace of directly without writing that case one condition, regular expression replace of in this column replace m with the male. That's what I'm trying to do here. Okay, you can use the data frame level replace also, but with column also you can achieve it. This is a function, guys, actually. This is a function. This function you can apply on top of your column. Okay, so male, m I'm just replacing with the male here. Let me try to execute this one. Call is not defined. We need to import that one as well. So call I'm taking here, execute this. See, the m got replaced with male here. Regular expression replace also we can use, but this is a function. Okay. One more example I'm trying to discuss here. Let's say I'm trying to take the data like this key in a key value format. Alice Smith, Johnson, Carol Davis, like that. I'm just trying to take here. Okay. So schema name I'm giving it as a name. I'm creating a data frame on top of that one. See, this is first time. This is last time. I know that. I wanted to replace the space with the underscore here. Space with the underscore. I don't want to take like space between the first and the. So for that, with the column name with the underscore, I'm just trying to take one more new column. Regular expression replace of in the name column, replace space with the underscore. Recently also, in my today also I use this in my like project. Okay, so we are getting actually one special character called reverse question mark in the data. I wanted to replace that one with the hyphen symbol in the target. Okay, so this is what I got. Same way I did it. Regular expression replace of that column name I mentioned. Here I took the reverse question mark. Here I just mentioned the hyphen symbol. That's it. Okay, so same thing. Now let me close this and execute this one and see what is happening here. See how I got underscore here. This is the original column name and this is the derived column, I can say. Let's say I have data like this. Address equal to 24 Beach Road, 308 Gandhi Street, 406 Temple Road, like that. So RD means road, I know, but I don't want to like use the short forms here. Let's say ST means street. Okay, but I don't want to take any short form here. I wanted to replace with the complete full name. So for that, I'm just trying to take like this. Let me execute this and see how you're getting. See, this is the address column. This is the original data actually. So this is the transformed data. See, RD is actually getting replaced with the road. That's what I took here. In the address column, wherever RD is there, replace it with the road. Okay. So this is about the regular expression replace, regexp replace. It exactly works as a replace command that you have used earlier. Okay. But at column level, I mean, this is just a function at the column level, I can say. Next one is translator. So why do we use this translate is if at all if you want to do character level replacement instead of like substring, if you want to do character level replacement, then we can use this. Let's say I have data like this case. I have data like this. Okay. So hello space world exclamatory mark is there. Okay. And Python, Spark is there. This is my data actually. Now what I want to do is the exclamatory mark I wanted to replace with the hyphen symbol. Or exclamatory mark I wanted to replace only with the hyphen symbol. So character level replacement, single character I'm just trying to take here. That I'm trying to see. I took this space also here. Space is a separate thing and exclamatory mark is a separate thing here. I don't need to separate them with a comma here. Directly I can take it here. Wherever space is there, wherever the exclamatory mark is there, that it will try to replace with the underscore and underscore. That's it. Now see how it is behaving here. So that is the character level replacement, I can say. See, this is the original data. Sorry. So space is replaced with the like hyphen symbol, and this one also replaced with the hyphen symbol. That's it. Okay. Character level replacement, I can say. Okay. Next. This is regular one only. Replace one. I've already discussed this. Yeah, I think I've already discussed, right? Yeah. This is the one. Male, female, you can convert this into like in a gender column, right? This is what I was discussing actually. Subset equal to gender column, we take it, right? This is the one. Yeah. So with this, we are done with the replace related data frames, APIs and the functions as well. So this is good enough, guys, actually to work in real time on in PySpark. So what I'll do is tomorrow I'm going to discuss about the analytical functions and the date functions. First, I'll try to discuss about the analytical functions. If time permits, I'll discuss about the date functions as well. Okay. So if both are done, then we are done with the PySpark part. Okay. So we'll stop here and we'll continue the rest of the things tomorrow. Yeah. So that's it from my end. Any questions for you?
Shiva, that regex XP
Mm-hmm.
Ellis Smith, we have a two commas. Why we need to put in before bracket and after bracket comma?
Where is that comma?
Not here. One more shell. Can you come
Uh-huh.
here?
This.
Ellis
Uh,
Smith and Bob Johnson. Why two commas?
Where here? Huh?
Here, line number 2.
Line number 2. This is a single value tuple, right? Single value tuple always you have to mention with comma only, right?
Okay.
Tuples. This is a tuple concept, Python tuple concept.
Okay.
See, if you don't mention this comma, it will throw error. I've already discussed it in Python.
Okay.
See, it is throwing error because see, cannot infer the schema type class string. So here itself it is wrong. First of all, okay, you need to put comma here.
Okay.
Yeah. That's all, guys. Anything?